Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual WRX STI. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and identify the three pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Next, locate the gear shifter and understand its pattern, typically a 5 or 6-speed H pattern. Always ensure the parking brake is firmly engaged before you even think about starting the engine. This prevents any unexpected rolling and keeps you safe as you learn the controls. To begin, press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. With the clutch fully depressed, move the gear shifter into the first gear position. Now, slowly and smoothly release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a small amount of pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This delicate balance is crucial for a smooth start, preventing the engine from stalling. Listen to the engine and feel for the friction point where the car begins to move. Once you're moving in first gear, accelerate to a speed appropriate for shifting into second. When ready, quickly press the clutch pedal down, simultaneously lifting your foot off the accelerator. Swiftly move the gear shifter into the next higher gear. Then, smoothly release the clutch pedal while gently pressing the accelerator again. This coordinated action ensures a seamless transition between gears, maintaining momentum and preventing jerky movements. Practice makes perfect for this fluid motion. When you need to slow down or stop, press the clutch pedal and gently apply the brake. As your speed decreases, you'll want to downshift into appropriate lower gears to maintain engine braking and control. For a complete stop, continue braking while keeping the clutch pressed until you are fully stationary. Once stopped, shift into neutral, release the clutch, and engage the parking brake. This prepares you for your next start and secures the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.